Hey guys, I am so pumped about this video because I'm going to tell you guys a side hustle that actually works, a money-making strategy that actually works, a way to make more money and make more money quickly. Okay guys, I know a lot of us are looking for that one side hustle or that one money-making strategy that will really provide us with large profits so we could bring in extra income weekly, monthly, yearly. Okay guys, so without further ado, check out this 2016 Chevy Malibu that I bought for only $2,100 and I sold it for $4,500 in only 2 days time. Okay, I bought it for $2,100, sold it for $4,500 in 2 days. That's a $2,400 profit. Now check out this 2014 GMC Terrain. I bought it for $1,800 and I sold it for $5,800 in only 3 days time. That's a $4,000 profit, guys. Check out this 2010 Honda CR-V. I bought it for just $1,400 and I sold it for $5,500 in only 48 hours. That's a $4,100 profit. Check out this 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. I bought it for only $2,300 and I sold it for $4,500 by the time I was off the treadmill. That's a $2,200 profit. Okay, guys? This Jetta, I literally picked it up at about 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay? I took good pictures of it, listed it online, and it was sold by the time I got off the treadmill that afternoon. Okay, guys? Did you know deals like the few that I just mentioned are available to you in your local area as well? You do not need a dealership license or access to a car auction to get started. You do not need to be mechanically inclined to find used car deals that can earn you a massive profit. All you need is a little guidance and a little information about how to acquire these deals and how to profit from them in the quickest amount of time. If this sounds interesting, please click the link in the bio where I demonstrate for free, step by step, how you can find 4-figure deals like the ones we just went over, okay, in your very own neighborhood so that you too can earn massive profits right away. This is not some get rich quick scheme or some internet guru wasting their audience's time. What I have put together here is a free tutorial demonstrating step by step how anyone who is interested can make more money flipping cars for profit that will earn them $2,000 in minimum profit in their very first car flip. This is for the serious go-getters. This is for those of us who are going to make a way even when there's no way. We're not going to take no for an answer. We're not going to accept anything besides success. Okay, guys? I was a 19-year-old struggling student athlete in my sophomore year of college when I made a decision that I was going to make more money. Click the link in the bio so that you too can reach the financial freedom that you deserve. I hope to see you guys inside the free training. Talk soon.